So we have a couple of ways to mount a 554 wall phone to the wall. The first way is if you have a phone jack that is somewhere mounted away from the phone, then you're going to have to run a phone cord from the phone to the jack. The jack would normally be down at floor level. Your phone's going to be mounted up on the wall. So in that case, the phone cord's going to be required. So what you're going to need to do when you get your phone is you need to take the cover off, and you do that by pressing this little tab right in here, just with a screwdriver, and that's going to release the phone and allow you to take the cover off the phone. And then in the back of the phone, you'll see that there are slots for screws there, there, and there. So you're going to get appropriate fasteners for the wall type that you're using, maybe butterfly bolts for drywall, or wood screws for a wood wall, concrete anchors for a concrete wall. And anyway, you're going to basically put your fasteners through the holes and mount the phone directly to the wall. And then the cord from the phone is going to run down to the phone jack that is somewhere else. We now put the cover back on the phone. So on the phone, there's a little tab right there. And on the chassis, there's a little tab right there. The idea is we want to line those tabs up together like so, and then just make sure the cords are coming out the right place on the bottom, and then just push it and click it. And there your phone is put back together and ready to go. The second way we have to mount a 554 type wall phone is if you have a modular wall jack on your wall where you're going to mount the phone. And these modular wall jacks have two mounting nubs on them. And those two mounting nubs align with slots on the back of the phone, actually on the back of the plate that we install. And the phone as it normally comes doesn't have those slots. So you need to add the modular wall plate option to the phone. So what we do is we add this plate onto the back of the phone. And this plate has two slots in it, there and there, that line up with the nubs on the plate. And so then all we have to do is align the plug on the plate to the jack, like so, line up the two nubs with the slots on the phone, and just slide it like that, and then it's firmly locked on, and that is now mounted on your wall.